morning. Today it's 8 January 2024. We have received these avocado plants today at our Assam farm. All are grafted plants, you can see. Just now we have received this plant today. We are setting it up in our nursery, you can see. Look at the plants. People are setting it now.
My shoot is
Mysore, Karnataka. These are seedlings. All these are seedlings out here. Avocado seedling plants, and these are grafted ones, you can see. In the grafted one, you can see there's a plastic wraps out there.
motor na mal bangi baga mang এটা নাই তারপর 40টা বেশি দিছে বাঙ্গিটা কম দিছে
Yeah, we're having white sandalwood. You can see 4 feet, 5 feet. Red sandalwood, seedless lychees.